Well, first thing I'm going to do, well, it's already unplugged. All right, now let me see here. Put these fuses back in there. Here.
Put your head to that side.
I hope it doesn't blow up when we turn it on.
What's going to blow up?
Fuses.
The fuses? Yeah, that's. Yeah, it probably came from.
Well, we went back in with 25 amps when they were supposed to be 30 because we didn't have any 30s. So it blows those up. We know we got problems anyway. So go ahead. Here, wait. Bring that camera over here.
Okay, I'm going to plug it in. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Just a minute.
Go it. Camera going?
Yeah, it's going.
Are you ready?
Go ahead.
You're in.
And it started.
Yeah, the heater started too.
All right, so we tore everything up here. Hold this. Tore everything off the walls and tore everything apart. But we learned something at least.
I think probably when I put the charger on the top one and left it on all night. I guess. I don't know.
Well, I imagine that would do it. Thank God for fuses.
Yeah.
Probably blew the bus up. It stopped. Why would it stop?
Want to go check the fuse?
Are we out of propane?
Want to go check the fuse again?
If that's the case, we have problems.
Are they blown? It might just be the switch.
No, they're not blown. It's probably just the switch.
That switch, the heater switch.
Yeah.
That thing, we need a different one anyway. That we always had trouble with that. Amanda said the heat got so hot in here, it about killed her. So we'll play with the
What about
switch.
these fuses?
Just play with the switch for a minute.
These fuses are okay. Well, I don't want to play around with the switch if the fuses are burned.
They're not burned.
I know, I just saw that. I looked at this one.
I know. Push the thing down.
Nothing.
See if you got power now to it. Al, please. Good grief. You can get up here. Now you just do it. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Wires off here.
Oh. Come on, Al. Come on. Jeez, you act like you're 13 years old. The wire was off?
Yeah, but it's not igniting when it's out.
How come that wire got off? Here, probably want to shut this off when you're messing with that.
Not anymore.
There you go. So, was that because you were testing it?
Probably.
that thing will run you out of here. I turned the propane on, so it should be fine. Put this back. Well, at least the system worked, actually.
Yeah, paid the big dollars to have that work like that. Is it heating up yet?
Are you warm?
No.
Takes a minute. You can hear it ignite when it does. Probably just blowing. Yeah, I don't know if it's blowing. You smell anything?
No.
I think I smell heat. Yeah, it's warming up a little bit. Take a minute. I like these. Yeah, it's heating up. Yeah. I like these, actually, these tin things right here. Just remember how hot they got? That channel for the heat, Mike?
Yeah. This thing was upside down, wasn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. Something like that.
See the on and off.
What happened to Burble? Did you leave him in the garage? Did he follow you in the garage?
Oh, I don't know.
There's our weight equipment in the garage. Well, you can smell the heat.
Yeah, this is working, huh?
Yeah. I wanted to put some on that tin. Remember we were talking about putting some like tile or something on there that would hold the heat a little bit after
Yeah.
the heater shut off? Should put water there. That would hold the heat.
I didn't think it was this.
No, I didn't either, but that's what I kept saying is I'll go check underneath. Because I was thinking maybe that was unplugged from that unit that the fuses were blown. That's what I was thinking.
Now I'm going to electrocute myself.
Well, maybe you should shut the electricity off while you do that. Yeah. Want to shut the electricity off?
No,
You just lost half your screws.
I lost that a long time ago.
Well, I know that. I know that to be the truth. Well, that had to have been from me charging those batteries up. You know?
I don't doubt it.
And I think I think I know why. I went to the top battery, and I bet. See, that has a trickle charge to charge those batteries up from that unit that had the blown fuses down underneath. And so I think I probably put it right on one of those wires that does the trickle charging, and it went right in there and blew those fuses up. That's what probably happened.
Well, live and learn.
Because I wanted the lights to work. The battery lights.
Well, let's shut that off. We don't need to be running it, do we?
Well, I'm going to do some cleaning in here a little bit. If Tracy wants to stay in here, just be for a day or so, or whatever they want to stay.
I got this on backwards, I think.
No, that's it.
And what's this on here?
That's it. Trust me, that's it.
It's got No, it's not it.
Okay, then someone else put it on wrong. Because that's how it was.
Yeah, it probably is right. Where was this one at?
Getting warm in here, huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. I think I'll come live in here. And it's good we had this hatch. That was useful.
It worked.
Yeah. Okay.
Did I? No, I did. I put one in there.
Oh,
How
you
come
missed?
I got an extra screw?
I don't know. Right here?
No, it was in there. That doesn't even hit anything.
Well, figure it out because you need to put it back in.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 is all I have. Wouldn't doubt it.
Now there's the bad fuses. Actually, they were good fuses because they saved a unit. Well, you want to flip this couch over? If Al is able to get off of it.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin.